So here's a tricky one. For that to fit in that, it's not going to happen. So we need to remove that to get that in. Okay, so I've come up with this idea. If you turn this, and it's tricky, it's stiff, you've got to tackle it. And I've come up with this. Not the best to do. Here's what I come up with, and it works. You put that in there, crimp it a little bit. See again this bite. You got to be careful you don't strip the threads, but it's a bugger to get out. And once you do it, you won't need two hands, but if you get the idea, once, let me start it a little bit, because I need two hands, and then I'll come back. One sec. Okay, so we've just put that in there, around there. Now what I'm going to do is, let's do that, see that? Okay. Again, two hands. If you can see, it is turning. Now it doesn't matter about the inside of this, because the thread is going to be okay inside. Now this outside thread, we'll clean that up. You've got to, I put a bit of tape on there, so that is going to be fine anyway. It's being a little bit protected. See, now if you see this, this is coming off now. See, I can get more of a grip on it now, it's turning. And they say don't tape, don't put that PVA tape on it. But I do anyway. It stops any little leaks. Could be wrong, people probably tell me otherwise, because it's supposed to be a sealed unit as soon as it clips on. But see this now just coming off. Once this comes off, I'll put that on, but I won't, I'll just show you. Right, so that's come off, see there, that's the inside of that there, yeah. Put that there, just show you briefly. This now, we'll go into there, right, and then tighten up there. Now once that's tightened up and sent home, we'll then connect the pipe onto there. Obviously it'll all need tightening up. I'm going to do it all and then I'll come back.